Makayama Kenya megie kwambatirio gwa thogora wa maguta maria merekeirio cikaro-ini cia bunge cieri ya seneta ya bururi maguciririe nditimurano ya miario gatagati-ini ka atongoria a nyumba cieri iguru ria kiuria kia no wigirire a Kenya murigo wa nyongerera ya igoti ria maguta riria ritumite thogora wa maguta ukinya makiria ma ciringi 135 hari o lita.
And it's now we are feeling that later at the day when we are facing electorates, we are coming to defend them. It is false. We should have done our responsibility much earlier.
We are subjecting our economy, and I must say, this House will do all that pertains to ensure that this matter is curtailed and brought to order.
Akiamukira ihoya ria rikirio bunge ya bururi-ini ya Kenya Anthony Manyara na John Wangai aria kwendete anire gicunji gia 13 kia watho wa kigina mwaka wa 2018, Speaker Justin Muturi athite kamiti ya kigina ihanganie na ihoya riri na ni undu wa uritu wayo icokie riboti ya mendekithia majira cia kuhoroheria mu Kenya murigo ihinda-ini ria thikũ 14.
The prices of fuel products in Kenya must fall. As we sit in this house, we are going to do whatever it takes, like what I've already done.
Kwenda kuga ati bunge muno ni ndirenda kuga ni thirikari na nikio ndirakwira mundu ugwitwo minister wa finance oke haha ataririe mundu ugwitwo Kuria Tani oke ataririe auge magoti maya maingiri ni make na magiko matari hori thirikari tungithina kiwango kiriku.
Ni ndarehire watho itagwo price control bill uria ndaugire ngiandika indo 10 iria ciagiriire thirikari gukoragwo ikirora negekira bei iria mwananchi ageire gukorwo atarahinyiririka.
Cikaro-ini cia kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igi hinya wa thitima ire tongoragio ni seneta wa Nyeri Ephraim Maina maruru ma atongoria matihithikite thutha wa minister wa hinya wa thitima Charles Keter na muruna we wa maguta na weji wa mahiga ma goro John Munyes kwaga gwikinya mbere ya kamiti ino gucokia ciuria iria ithiururukiirie thogora wa maguta.
No ni twatua riu tukumahe samoni iria ciukaga ati mundu angiaga guka akopainwo na kuma hau twire munene wa borithi amunyite amurehe.
Twacio tugwita minister wa kindu gwitwo minister wa bia na niwe ya Kuria Tani oke nake atutaririe magoti maya ri kari magoti mariku maya ona matahitũkitio thiini wa bunge mokite gatagati-ini na makongera mathogora na kiwango kinene.
Atongoria mokanire iguru rigie no rikitie a Kenya mathini-ini maya bunge cieri ikirikana ciri na uigiririki wa kugiriria igoti riri kuhituka na uguo mabatie kunyuira gikombe kiruru kira kiranyuirwo ni a Kenya na magirirwo gukua mutharaba wa gukorwo nio marikitie a Kenya haceke.
Kenyans out there are pissed off at the executive, but they should not be pissed off at the executive. They should be pissed off with us because we are the ones who pass the laws.
This is a matter in which Parliament must take full responsibility.
Isn't it time the committee asks the CS to suspend the operationalization of VAT on fuel, on excise duty?
Eo finance bill de ukaga Senate koragwo kuria kwa members of parliament, my MP. Acio nio magirire, gwikira, gukinya maundu breaki maregana na magoti macio.
Maseneta matemanite rendekithia ria kwenda maminista ya eri matho o ringi mekinye mbere ya kamiti ino kana mahuro faini ya ciringi 500 o mundu kana ona makiria ndereti ya kwenda mahaguru ya biko. Ndeto ciana hiuha ikanagirio mwena na mwena o tora ndereti ya kwambatira gwa thogora wa maguta irathi na mbere na guikanirio gatagati-ini ka anyiti itemi o mwena ugikuithia uria ungi mutharaba iguru rigie no wagwire uigiririki-ini wake uria utumite a Kenya mathi na mbere na kugomerwo ni murigo muritu wa muturire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma cikaro-ini cia bunge guku mucii munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.